Fukugawa City, Hokkaido, is designated a special heavy snow belt zone. Looking at the roof on the left-hand side, a special film is actually attached to just this side, making the snow naturally slide off. It's made by Higashiyama Film, an industrial film processing manufacturer in Nagoya. They make anti-reflective films used on aquarium water tanks and films that can be folded 200,000 times without creasing. Peering into their research lab, a transparent liquid is coated on a thin sheet and thinly spread. This film actually performs a surprising function of cooling. When cooled to 0 degrees Celsius and below, bumps appear on the surface. The sheet produces a special oil when cooled. It's called slug sheet. Slug meaning that soft-bodied mollusk. But why a slug? When covered in plastic beads, a sticky liquid is discharged from the surface. Cleaning them off. Chihiro Urata of the National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology has long been researching the mechanism of the body of slugs to develop slug sheets.
While searching for something that would be easy to clean, I was a member of a group studying biological organisms. And as gross as it may sound, I had the idea that if I could replicate the structure and protective functions of slugs, I might be able to develop an easily cleanable material. And that's how my research started.
It's a technology referred to as biomimetics. For example, the lead car of a Shinkansen bullet train or even the body of aircraft use technologies born from biomimetics. How is the ability of slugs recreated?
This is oil. It contains lubricating oil.
With silicone resins, when cooled, the amount of soluble oil decreases. Some of the oil has no place to go in the resin and is pushed out. Can this really recreate the special ability of slugs? A gel is made from the slug sheet material and tested. A gel with oil and a gel without oil are placed on glass and cooled in a freezer. A short while later, the gel with the oil slides off the glass. What's more,
when the temperature rises, it reverts back. When oil is sprayed on it, it'll absorb the oil, so once the film is attached, we believe it can be used for a long time.
They're aiming to commercialize this slug sheet in 2027. In particular, it's seen to play a role in solving a certain problem in snow country. That problem is
Solar panels aren't widespread yet, so we're getting offers from various local governments.
in areas that get heavy snow, snow accumulates on solar panels, rendering them useless or damaging them. This problem has held back solar installations. They also hope to use it in other areas, such as car sensors and road signs, that, when covered by snow, may pose dangers.
Biomimetics until now have mainly focused on recreating biological anatomy, but if physiology such as metabolism can be recreated in this way, it may lead to new unprecedented solutions to many challenges.